Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lemod. Okay, today I'm going to unpack my sewing machine. I'm so excited because before I just received the box, you know, with the machine in, but not doing anything. I just received last week. So now I'm going to unpack. And then I'm so excited because my journey is starting now. Okay? Look at the machine, the features. Ooh, a lot of features that I'm going to learn. You know, my daughter is a fashion designer. She's going to show me how to operate this machine. But she said it's so easy. I don't know. I'm going to do a lot. Yo, I'm so excited. I don't know where to start. Now I'm unpacking, okay? Oh, and it's so light, you know, this machine, very light. Okay, here is my beautiful machine with the features here, everything here, and the screen. The rest I'll be going through the manual, and then after that connect and start.